Partial fraction means partial itself means small, right? So we are asked to break down this fraction into small parts. Now what you have is 7x minus 10 over 3x minus 4x minus 1 over whole square. Now if you look at the pattern of the denominator here, it is linear. X is raised to 1, x is also raised to 1. So you have binomial terms which is linear, right? So in this case you can write it as a over, so choose one of the factor here, this is 3x minus 4 plus b over, now in this case since your binomial term here has exponent more than 1, in this case how to do it? So what you do is you start with 1 and go on until you reach the exponent which is there in the question. So it's 2, right? So you end it in 2. Okay, easy. Now your question should be, try to make left hand side and right hand sides denominator same. So left hand side you already have this. Okay, no need to do much. However, try to check the denominators here, they're all different. How would you make it same? So a has denominator 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4, if you check out 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. So what is missing is x minus 1 whole square. So whatever you introduce in the denominator, introduce in the numerator as well. Then plus b over x minus 1. However, if you check out x minus 1, one more is needed, and you need 3x minus 4. Okay, then plus c over x minus 1 whole square. So if you see here, this and this is there. So that means what is missing? 3x minus 4 is missing. So you introduce in both numerator and denominator. Now in your right hand side you already have 7x minus 10 over 3x minus 4 x minus 1 whole square. Now in your right hand side seems like all the denominators are same, so you can take the common denominator and the numerator you can operate together. Now the interesting part here is this is equal, which means if both the denominators are same, by virtue of the meaning of equal, the numerator has to be same. So 7x minus 10 should be equal to ax minus 1 whole square plus bx minus 1, 3x minus 4 plus c 3x minus 4. So this has to be also equal. So this is the main equation that we need to use. So there are two methods, okay? The two methods are, number one method 1 is guessing method. So in guessing method you try to target the bracket ones. So bracket, okay? The bracket to x minus 1 is equals to 0. So try to find the value of x. So if you take this to the other side, 1. So that's let x equals to 1. So bring the main equation, wherever there is x, replace by 1. Then try to resolve the equation. So 7 minus negative 3. So see, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times any value will be 0. So ultimately you are left with 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So negative 3 equals to negative c. So 3 equals to c. So you got the value of c as 3. Now same, if you again wants to use the same method one, because you have another bracket, so target that. So 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So from here what you know is the same method, wherever there is x, replace with the value that you're guessing. So 28 over 3 minus 10. So if you look at this carefully, 3 gets cancelled, 4 minus 4 is 0, 0. So you have a 4 minus 3 minus, so if I try to make same denominator, so 4, you have 3 whole square plus 0 plus 0. So you have 1 times 3 times 3, so 28 minus 30 over 3 is equal to a times 1 over 3 whole square. So this implies that you have negative 2 over 3 is equal to a times 1 over 9. So 313, 339. Negative 2 is equal to a over 3. Take this to the other side. Negative 6 equals to a. So you got the value of a as negative 6. Then now if you look at the main equation, your bracket is now exhausted. So now it's time to use method 2, which is comparing coefficient or comparing constants. So for that matter, you need to expand the bracket. Expand the equation. So 7x minus 10 equals to a, so try to expand, x square minus 2x plus 1 whole square. Sorry, since x minus 1 whole square is a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be x square minus 2 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so 7x minus 10 equals to a x square minus 2x plus 1 plus bx minus b 3x minus 4 plus 3cx minus 4c. 7x minus 10 equals to ax square minus 2ax plus a plus b 3x square negative 4bx negative 3bx positive 4b plus 3cx minus 4c. So now comparing constants. So constants is negative 10 a 4b and negative 4c. So you have negative 10 equals to a plus 4b minus 4c. Since a equals to 3 and b, a equals to negative 6 and c equals 2, so you have c equals to 3. Negative 10 equals to negative 6 plus 4b means 4 times 3. It's negative 10 plus 6 plus 12 equals to 4b. So you have 8 equals to 4b. That means your p value is 2. Further, or you can compare coefficient of x square. So if you want to do so here, left hand side no x square, so coefficient of x square is equal to 0. So 0 equals to, however here your coefficient of x square is a 3b, so you have a plus 3b. So 0 equals to a is negative 6. Since a equals to negative 6, 6 plus 3b, 6 equals to 3b divided by 3 divided by 3. So your b value is 2. Same. So now you have a equals to negative 6, b equals to 2, c equals to 3. Therefore 7x minus 10 over 3x minus 4x minus 1 whole square is equal to a. So what you have in the beginning, negative 6, 2, 3. This is the answer. Now you can verify. So you have negative 6 over 3x minus 4 plus 2 over so on plus 3 over x minus 1 whole square. Now if you have to simplify, make same denominator. So 3x minus 4. So which means this is not there. But then the highest one will be taken. So you have x minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square. Then plus 2 over x minus 1 is already there. What is missing? X minus 1 and 3x minus 4. X minus 1 and 3x minus 4. Then plus 3 over x minus 1 whole square is there. What is missing? 3x minus 4. Now the denominators are all same. So 3x minus 4 x minus 1 whole square same. So numerator negative 6. Try to expand. So x minus x square minus 2x plus x, not x, sorry, plus 1 plus first multiply 2, then 3x minus 4, 9x minus 12. So this is equal to negative 6x square minus plus 12x minus 6 plus, now I multiply 236x square negative 8x minus 6x plus 8 plus 9x minus 12 over 3x minus 4 x minus 1 whole square is equal to this, and this gets cancelled. So you have 12 and 9 is 21. So you have here 12 8 and 6 is 14. So you have 7. So 7x. Then you have negative 6, negative 12, negative 18 plus 8 is negative 10. Negative 10. 3x minus 4. So verified. Correct. So that means we are correct. So every time you can check whether your answer is correct or not.